Photoshop quick tips. I finally started recording my editing process. I realized really quickly that there were all these little tools that I was using, and I didn't want to explain each tool every time I was using it for every photo process video. So I decided to create this set of tutorials that went through the tools that I use most in Photoshop. This is kind of the nuts and bolts of using the tools, and the process videos are more about how you apply them for your creative vision. Once you watch these 6 quick tutorials, you should be able to follow along with my process videos, no problem. The process videos, the ones where I actually talk through the photo editing process, those will be on the editing blog as well, and those will be coming shortly, so definitely check them out, and thanks.